Language Foundations Vocabulary Flashcards, helping you achieve understanding.
A usually secretive or illicit sexual relationship. A vaguely specified concern. It is none of your affair. A vaguely specified social event. The party was quite an affair. A usually secretive or illicit sexual relationship. A usually secretive or illicit sexual relationship. Close or warm friendship. The absence of fences created a mysterious intimacy in which no one knew privacy. A usually secretive or illicit sexual relationship. A feeling of being intimate and belonging together. A usually secretive or illicit sexual relationship. The act of sharing in the activities of a group. The condition of sharing in common with others, as fellows or partners, etc. A sense of concern with and curiosity about someone or something. A connection of inclusion or containment. He escaped involvement in the accident. A usually secretive or illicit sexual relationship. A channel for communication between groups. He provided a liaison with the guerrillas. A vaguely specified concern. Several matters to attend to. Have weight. Have import, carry weight. It does not matter much. Some situation or event that is thought about. It is a matter for the police. A problem. Is anything the matter? That which has mass and occupies space. Physicists study both the nature of matter and the forces which govern it. Used with negation, having consequence. They were friends and it was no matter who won the games. Written works, especially in books or magazines. He always took some reading matter with him on the plane. A vaguely specified concern. Things are going well. An action. How could you do such a thing? An artifact. How does this thing work? An entity that is not named specifically. I couldn't tell what the thing was. An event. A funny thing happened on the way to the. Any attribute or quality considered as having its own existence. The thing I like about her is. A persistent illogical feeling of desire or aversion. He has a thing about seafood. A separate and self-contained entity. A special abstraction. A thing of the spirit. A special objective. The thing is to stay in bounds. A special situation. This thing has got to end. A statement regarded as an object. To say the same thing in other terms. The actions and activities assigned to or required or expected of a person or group. The function of a teacher. Perform as expected when applied. Mathematics. A mathematical relation such that each element of a given set, the domain of the function, is associated with an element of another set, the range of the function. A vaguely specified social event. A seemingly endless round of social functions. Serve a purpose, role, or function. The table functions as a desk. What something is used for. The function of an auger is to bore holes. A set sequence of steps, part of larger computer program. Perform duties attached to a particular office or place or function. A formal or official social gathering or ceremony. It was a black tie function. A relation such that one thing is dependent on another. Height as a function of age. An event that occurs at a critical time. It was needed only on special occasions. A vaguely specified social event. An occasion arranged to honor the president. An opportunity to do something. There was never an occasion for her to demonstrate her skill. Give occasion to. Reason. There was no occasion for complaint. The time of a particular event. On the occasion of his 60th birthday. A vaguely specified social event. A seemingly endless round of social functions. A vaguely specified social event. A relationship involving sexual intimacy. Be on the mind of. A commercial or industrial enterprise and the people who constitute it. A racially integrated business concern. Be relevant to. Something or someone that causes anxiety, a source of unhappiness. New York traffic is a constant concern. An anxious feeling. A feeling of sympathy for someone or something. She felt strong concern for those less fortunate. Something that interests you because it is important or affects you. The safety of the ship is the captain's concern. An event characteristic of persons forming groups. Used to form the superlative. The garter snake is the least dangerous snake. Something that is of no importance. It is the least I can do. The superlative of little that can be used with mass nouns and is usually preceded by the, a quantifier meaning smallest in amount or extent or degree. Didn't care the least bit. A formal event performed on a special occasion. A ceremony commemorating Pearl Harbor. Any activity that is performed in an especially solemn, elaborate or formal way. The ceremony of smelling the cork and tasting the wine. The proper or conventional behavior on some solemn occasion. An inaugural ceremony. A social function that is held for the purpose of raising money. Someone who solicits financial contributions. The utterance of sounds expressing great joy. A joyful occasion for special festivities to mark some happy event. A feeling of extreme joy. A formal event performed on a special occasion. Conformity with law or custom or practice, etc. The act of noticing or paying attention. A formal event performed on a special occasion. The act of observing, taking a patient look. An organization to gain political power. In 1992, Perot tried to organize a third party at the national level. A band of people associated temporarily in some activity. They organized a party to search for food. A group of people gathered together for pleasure. She joined the party after dinner. An occasion on which people can assemble for social interaction and entertainment. He planned a party to celebrate Bastille Day. A person involved in legal proceedings. The party of the first part. have or participate in a party. The students were partying all night before the exam. An occasion that lends itself to, or is deliberately arranged for, taking photographs that provide favorable publicity for those who are photographed. An occasion that lends itself to, or is deliberately arranged for, taking photographs that provide favorable publicity for those who are photographed. A formal event performed on a special occasion. Marked by pomp or ceremony or formality. A ceremonial occasion. An occasion of spending a night away from home or having a guest spend the night in your home, especially as a party for children. A joyful occasion for special festivities to mark some happy event. Any joyous diversion. The public performance of a sacrament or solemn ceremony with all appropriate ritual. The celebration of marriage.
Become our student and get access to effective and free educational materials. Subscribe to our YouTube channel to become a part of our growing YouTube community and to learn English effectively.